Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if it's your first time to watch any of my videos, kindly subscribe to my channel and turn on your notification buttons for more videos coming next. We are going to start with shea butter. 2 tablespoons of shea butters. Make sure you pack everything inside this so that it will no waste. You pack everything. The next one is coconut oil. Then we add our coconut oil. 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. Then you will add the aloe vera gel. 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel. Then we will add our lemon essential oil, 5 to 10 drops. The next one is turmeric. Add a pinch of turmeric to it. A pinch of turmeric. Then preservative water, so to preserve the cream so that as long as you want it. After adding everything together, so we take our mixer, then we mix it together. So we are still mixing it so that we can get the right texture. Let's look at it now. Let's look. Have you seen it? You will mix all the ingredients together. You let it blend together before you can stop it, so you can see it very soft and smooth. This way you will really love it. As you can see, it's very smooth. You can pack it now. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share. As you can see, we are transferring it into a plastic and it is ready to be used.
Moved it into the plastic and it's ready to be used.
Thank you for watching.